Hi everyone, it's Kylara and I'm here today to show you a flip through of this journal that I made my mom. This has been over a year and a half in the making. When I got really sick, I put everything away. So anyway, let's just get into it. This is my mom's Mother's Day present and we'll be getting it to her tomorrow, which will be Sunday. Done filming today on Saturday. So this is my charm that hangs off the spine on it. It's got a little lobster clasp so you can take it off. She can take it off if she wants to. It's got a hummingbird charm. It's got a birdhouse charm. It's got a leaf charm, or a feather charm, sorry. And it's got a great big owl charm on the bottom. My mom loves birds, and at the trailer she has bird feeders all over the place. So we have hummingbird feeders and everything. We just love watching the birds. So it says, a bird does not sing because it has an answer, it sings because it has a song. And it's an altered book. My first one, actually. And it's just got two ribbons attached by eyelets to the front and back covers. And for the first time ever, I'm having issues getting it undone, which, you know, it's only happening because I'm on camera. You know how that is. So, we open up the front cover. Let me see if turning this light off will help. I think that'll help. So, this is the front cover. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little for you guys. There. So, this front pocket has Love You Forever. It's got a little cluster there on the corner, and I just put 3 little journaling cards in there. They've been inked up. They have space on the back for journaling. I have the note from the bookmaker. And 2 small little journals. This is a tabbed notepad, and this is just copy paper sewn into the book. And we've got beautiful lace on the sides. This is a little piece of wallpaper that I cut out and made as a tuck spot. And there's also a pocket here that usually has a tag. I'm not real sure where it is. There's the tag, can go in there. There's a little tuck spot right here. It's got 3 little dangles hanging down off of it. It says beautiful. In here I have just a little scrap of paper with a bird, with birds on it for her to journal on. And that tucks right back in there. Here's a little glassine bag that I made with my deli paper. It's got a little cluster on it with a stamp, with birds on it. This is just a little tag I have, or a little bookmark that I have. And I've made this out of a time card and this beautiful little tag. And then there's another bookmark like tag up at the top that I did some collage papers, and I cut this up from one of the collage papers. Here's some vellum, beautiful cutouts from my porch prints. Here's a little pocket that I made. It has a little bird journaling card and a attendance certificate. Here's a beautiful owl tag with a Rita Dawn leaflet. A piece of tracing paper. Inside the baggie, I just have a little bit of ephemera. I have beautiful die cut up there, birds on a branch, and that's on a dictionary page. We have grid paper. This is a paper clip with a little cluster on it, and I have an envelope, and inside I have this beautiful journaling card that does have some glitter. So I inked up the back as well for her to journal on. And that tucks right up under there. Here's some more of those beautiful cutouts. There's some more ephemera in here. Here's another paper clip. The smile around the bird. Here's a pretty little pocket that I made with some of my mass snakes. I didn't make the back pocket, but I did just leave this pocket open, and it says memories. And here's a little beehive journaling card, a little rose one. Here's some money from I don't know where, and a beautiful bird image. I did a little bit of stenciling on this page, and I made this beautiful envelope with napkins, and I decoupaged and I put a stamp on there, and this has a dangle off the paper clip. More of those beautiful fussy cut images. The second book is simply a notebook for her. It's got a little pocket here with a couple of journaling cards. I sewed around this one. It's got one of the fussy cut images, and here's another little dangle that hangs off this paper clip, which I'm not real sure why it's down so far, but let's just move it up a bit. And it's just copy paper. Oops. And the third signature. It's got some beautiful bird images in it. Here's another bird stamp. I have to put something in there yet. This beautiful page has another dangle on it. And it also has this double envelope, or double pocket, which has some ephemera tucked in. And that just goes there. Here's a little bird image that I found. So I'll just tuck that in there. I'm going to be putting more in this pocket. And here's something printed on vellum. Another of the little paper clips. This was just in one of my kits, so I cut it out and I made it into a tuck spot. And I've got this beautiful tag that has wrapping paper, bird wrapping paper, and it's got a chipboard birdhouse and a dangle that says birds, and you flip it over the back and it's a good spot for journaling with a little bit of stenciling on the bottom. Another journaling card with sewing around. This has a bird paper clip. Can you see the bird? And inside is a little feather that I made out of washi tape. So that just sticks down in there, and it folds over the page and does back up with the little bird paper clip. I love this bird paper clip. It is so cute. Here's another piece of wallpaper. Some more of the fussy cut images. Here is a corset pocket with a beautiful little journaling card that I aged, and that goes right inside the little corset. Beautiful birds. This is a fake envelope that I gessoed so that my mom could journal in it. And it just tucks down into the ticket. There we go. And in the back, I made this back pocket, I decoupaged some napkin on there, and this again is just some more papers. There's no embellishments, it's just for writing. And there's the back of my mom's new book. I hope that you liked this video and you enjoyed the flip through, and I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe so that you can get my videos on a regular basis. Thank you. Have a good day, and please stay safe.